Yeah, yeah. A story untold, sketching my dreams with a digital pen. Every single stroke, I'm at it again. Came from the east, reppin' a Sam side. Now I'm worldwide with my edits and pride. No templates here, just raw design. Creative guy, got a legendary mind. Lay a stack like money in the vault. Gradient so smooth, never my fault. Vibes on fire, transitions like silk. Brushing through shadows, smoother than milk. I'm the master of the canvas, ruler of the frame. Creative guy, yeah, you know the name. From pixels to passion, I built this lane. Every click I make, they feel the flame. Late nights grinding, no off switch. Mock-ups clean like a brand new stitch. From Photoshop to After Effects, every move I make demands respect. Clients call me the dream supplier, cause my designs spark like wire to fire. Minimal to wild, I got the range. Mood board magic, watch me rearrange. Self-taught king, no silver spoon. Learned my craft by the light of the moon. From small gigs to a global screen, now I flex like a motion machine. Don't blink, I might flip the vibe. Turn grayscale into neon live. Every reel I drop is a visual high. Watch your brand grow when I amplify. This ain't a trend, it's a lifestyle, fam. Creativity running through who I am. Signature stamp on every piece, turning pressure into masterpiece. No plan B, this is do or die. Made for the grind, I don't even try. Fast cuts, slow zooms, effects tight. Creative guy in the edit room lights. I don't just